today I'm back at the CNC. Well, what's going on with the CNC? So, feeds and speeds. RPM, chip loading, all that kind of stuff in CNC work. You really should know what your RPM is and what RPM you want to run your tools at. Well, this is a nice little DeWalt router that has top speed of like 26,000 RPM and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what the hell speeds are those? I couldn't find anything in the manual. I think it starts at 16,000, it goes up to 26,000. I could have done the math, but how accurate would that be? So it is a quandary and a conundrum. This is what my router in my router table has. It has a switch with multiple speeds, and they're marked on the router so you know how fast your router is turning. This has no such thing. So what did I do? Well, I bought this Neiko laser RPM gauge or tachometer. It's optical, uses a laser, and it comes with reflective tape that you put on the rotating object, and then you turn it on, point it at the rotating object where the tape is, and it gives you an RPM reading. Let me give you a quick demo on how that works. So what you do is take a piece of this reflective tape, you tape it onto the rotating assembly that you want to measure, a little piece like that. Then you take the laser tachometer, and as the piece is rotating, you point the laser at it, holding the test button, and you get an RPM reading. Let's see if we can get this to work. So that's how it worked. You saw the reading I got. It's around 26,000 RPM at the top end. And this worked out pretty well. So now I know how fast my router is going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's it. Now I know what speed the router is rotating at with the number on the router speed dial. So if I want to turn something, if I want to turn a tool at, say, 20,000 RPM, I know where 20,000 RPM is. If I want to go to 23,000 RPM, I know where that is. When I go 16,000 RPM, I know what it is. The lowest speed I've got here is 15.7. Highest speed is 26.9. I don't expect super accuracy with these routers, but those are my speeds. So until next time, make great things out of wood.